Alright, so on these ones, if it says solve graphically, you absolutely must include a graph of both equations for your answer. Okay? Chances are we're going to make them come out on one of the grid lines if it's a graphing one. So you need to know how to graph the y equals and the standard form. So y equals form is, this is the y-intercept, so I graph that point first on the y-axis, 3, and then negative 1/3, so that's down 1, and to the right, 3. So that'll be my slope. Down 1, forward 3. And can't fit that one. I'm going to continue the pattern in the opposite direction. So if I make sure to mark every point on the grid, even with my crappy line, if I mark every point that my line hits on perfectly on the grid, then when I graph my second line, if I end up graphing the same point, I know they definitely meet. So this method I use the cover-up method. So what I'm going to do is, if x is 0, I cover up x, and that gives me negative y equals 4. So y equals negative 4. If I cover up the y, 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. So I graph the point 0, negative 4, over 0, down 4, and 2, 0. So if I follow this pattern, I'll go up 4 over 2. How can I be sure if I definitely hit that? Well, you can see that up 4, the rise of 4, and right 2 is the same as up 2 and over 1. Alright, so that's a really graphic explanation of the slope here. So up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. So that definitely hits right here. That's our solution, the point 3, 2. Or you can say x equals 3, y equals 2. Either one works. So here, again, this is like a negative 1 slope, so that's going to be a down 1 and a forward 1. So we graph negative 3, that's our y-intercept, down 1, forward 1, down 1, forward 1. Continue my pattern backwards. Yeah, and it's hard to draw the lines with these things, but you get it, the point there. And then my intercept method. The other way you could do this is solve for y. So I'll show you that way too. You just saw the cover-up method there. So I'm going to subtract 2x. So I have 2y equals negative 2x plus 4. Divide both sides by 2. And I get y equals negative 1x plus 2. So right now, when you see that negative 1x, that tells us there's no solution, because it has the same slope as this, negative x and negative x, negative 1x and negative 1x. But I'm going to graph it anyway to show you. So positive 2, down 1 over 1. Whoops, that's the one. So if I was able to draw a straight line, you'd see that they are parallel and that they never meet. So this one is like this, and this one's like this. There we go. So parallel, never meet, so that is no solution. Oops, my bad. No solution. Alright, good luck on the quiz.